Good morning, students. Okay, today we'll explaining Gauss problems on Gauss-Seidel method. Already I explained load flow studies, network model formulation, formulation of transformation, load flow problems. The next topic, the model number one, last topic, the problems on Gauss-Seidel methods. First, write down the given data, line admittance and bus specifications. What are the line admittance? That is R and Jx value. First, bus code, first column, second column, admittance. Bus code 1 to 2, that is from bus 1 to bus 2, from bus 1 to bus 3, from bus 2, from bus 2, from bus 2 bus 3, next 2 4 3 4. These are the bus code. It is from to bus. Here the second column admittance, the admittance value first 2 minus j8 1 minus j4 0.66 j 2.66 1 minus j4 2 minus j8. These are the bus specification. Here the 4 bus number 1 is always slack bus number 2 is a PQ bus number 3 is PQ bus number 4 is PQ bus. Here P2 Q2 value, P3 Q3 value, P4 and Q4 value, but here slack bus is not given, only the V value is given. Okay, first solution. First you calculate Y bus. Calculate Y bus. Here the 4 buses, bus number 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, you calculate bus admittance matrix can directly formed by from the figure 2.1.1. That is Y11. Y11 means you connected Y12, Y13, Y12 and Y13. That is already given in the value, admittance value 2 minus J8 plus 1 minus J4, finally 3 minus J12. This is Y11. Next Y22. Y22 means Y12 connected, 23 connected, 24 connected. Y12, 23, 24. Already given in the line admittance value 2 minus J8, 0.66, J minus 2.64, 1 minus J4. You simplify that, final answer 3.666 minus J 14.664. That is Y22. Y33. What are the connect? 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 4. You get value 3.66 minus J 14.664. Next Y44. 2, 4, 3, 4, 1 minus J4 plus 2 minus J8, that is 3 minus J12. 1, 2, already given directly 1, 2. That is 2, 1, that is reverse. Minus 2 minus J8, finally minus 2 plus J8. Y13, Y13 already given, Y31, that is minus 1 plus J4. Y14, Y14 is not connected, Y41 is not connected, 0. 1, 4 is not connected, 4, 1 is not connected, 0. Next 2, 3, directly given 2, 3 value. 2, 3 equal to 3, 2, that is minus of Y23, 0.663 plus J 2.664. Y24, 4, 2, minus of Y24, minus 1 J4. Y34, 4, 3, minus of Y34, minus of minus 2 plus J8. This is Y bus calculation. Just Y bus matrix, you fill Y bus matrix. Just you calculate no Y bus value, you substitute in Y bus. Next, voltage you calculate. First, initially value of the bus voltage consider 1 pu, that is slack bus. 1 pu is a standard voltage at flat voltage profile. Thus, voltage is not given, that is 1 pu. P2 dot 1 plus J0, V3 dot 1 plus J0, V4 dot 1 plus J0. Bus 1 is a slack bus, so voltage remains specified value for all iteration already given in the slack bus, that is V1 dot V1 dash V1 K is 0, that is V1 equal to 1.06 plus J0 already given in the problem. Okay, next you calculate Y2 dash, Y3 dash, Y4 dash using slack bus voltage. What is the formula? K plus 1 iteration, voltage of PQ, that is load bus P. P is a number. Here Y2 dash, K equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Y2 dash, YPP. Here second bus Y2, 2. Okay, next P2, JQ2, V2 dot. Next 1, 2, 0. Next 2, 1. Okay, V1 dot. Next P plus 1, this is formula Y2, 3. Y3 dot. Okay, here Y1 dot value is given already, the bus number is slack bus. Next Y2 dash, Just now explain, no? Y1 y2 2. Why P is a bus number, that is y22. P2 minus jq2 y2 dot. Y21 21 is v1 dash. Y23 33 dash v34 4 dot. Here y22 already find out, no? Y22 just y bus value, y22 y22 y bus value, that is 3.66 minus j, minus j 14.6. Here P2 value is given, bus specification point y. Here minus plus j 0.2. Just substitute all the values. Y21 value, y bus value, v1 dot is 1.06. Next y23 value, y bus value. Next v3 dot is 1.0. Next minus as it is y34 v4 dot. Finally substitute y2 dash value. Finally calculate y2 dash value. That is 1.011, that is J 0.029 pu. Next y2 acceleration, y2 dot alpha value. What is alpha value already given? That is 1.6. Finally calculate y2 accelerate value 1.0190 is 0.094. Okay, just you calculate simplify y3 dash, same 1 by y33, that is p3 value, p3 q3 y3 dot dash, y31 v1 dash, y32 v2 dash, y34 v4 dot. Here p3 value, q3 value using bus data value 1 minus a0, y31 value v1 dash, y32 value v2 dash. Just substitute all the values, you calculate v3 dash. Same using the previous v3 acceleration, v3 dot alpha value, alpha is 1.6, v3 dash v3 dot, you calculate v3 acceleration. Same thing v4 dash also you calculate it. Okay, just substitute p3 q3 value, p3 q4 value, y41 v1 dash v2 dash v3 dash. Just now calculate v1 dash v2 dash v3 dash, you substitute values, finally you calculate v4 dash. Using v4 dot, you calculate v4 dash accelerated using alpha value, final value. This is final bus voltage at the end of first iteration, v1 dot, v2 dot, v2 dash, v3 dash, v4 dash. Final answer. Okay, second problem. Just different from first to second problem. Okay, here also same, just to change y12 13 24 34 you connected. Here p and q value is given, that is p2 q2 value, p3 q3 value, p4 q4 value. But here slack bus voltage is given, p value is given, only v3 dash and v4 dash. Just you calculate v2 imaginary value. Okay, first you calculate y bus. Same thing, y bus you calculate using singular transfer, y12 y13 23 24 34. Okay, y1 what are the connected, 1 2 1 3 is connected, finally you get value. Y22 1 2 2 3 2 4 connected, finally get the value y22 value. Y33 1 3 2 3 3 4. It means what are the connected to 2 2, 1 2 2 4, 1 2 2 3 2 4, we get 2.6 j11. Y33 y13 2 3 3 4, you get y33. Y44 2 4 3 4, we get y44. 1 2 2 1, we get 1 2. 1 3 1.2 j4. 1 4 is not 0. 2 3 3 2, 0.5 plus j4. Y24 we get y24. Y34 we get, this is y bus value. Just you substitute y matrix in y bus value, all y parameters, y21 22 23 11 12 13 14 21 22 23 24 31 32 3 33 34 41 not connected 0, 41 and 14 is 0 because not connected y bus, 42 43 44. Okay, next you calculate v2 dash v3 dash v4 dash. But here v3 dot and v4 value is not given, that is flat voltage profile in load bus, that is 1 plus j0, 1 plus j0. p2 dot v1 dot value is given already in problem, bus data value 1.06 j0 slack bus, v2 dot 1.04 plus j0 generator bus, initially phase is assumed as 0. Okay, you calculate calculation of bus voltage for the first iteration. V1 dash, V2 dot, already given in the value, bus data, slack bus 1.06 plus 0. Okay, next to bus 2 generator bus, so calculate reactive power, Q2 value. First you calculate Q2 value. Q2 value is not given. Using this formula, Q2 value is calculated. Here P2 bus 2 value is calculated means P number 2, K0, n equal to 4 because of 4 bus total. Q2 dash calculated 1 imaginary V2 dot star Y21 V1 dash Y22 V2 dot Y23 V3 dot Y24 V4 dot. You calculate Q2 Q2 dash calculated because imaginary, that is reactive power in Q2 value. Just substitute all the values Y bus value and V1 dot V2 dot V3 dot V4 dot. You get the reactive power value Q2 dash. Okay, next same formula, same method, previous method. P2 Q2 value is given, V2 dot value is given. You calculate V2 dash, that is Y1 1 by Y22 because second bus Y22 P2 minus JQ2 Y2 dot star Y21 V1 dash Y23 V3 dot Y24 4. Just you see 1 V1 3 V3 4 4. Here V1 dash is already given in the problem, V1 dash, but here not given V3 dash, that is V3 dot. Here 2 4, here 4 dot. Just substitute the value, V2 dash value is calculated. Same thing, specification with angle 1.04, 2.05 angle P value, that is V2 dash. Same method you follow V3 dash also because bus number 3, that is P3 Q3 value V3 dot. Next Y31 V1 dash Y32 V2 dash Y34 4 dot. Substitute all the values, bus parameter and voltage value, you get V3 dash. Same thing in V4 dash also. Finally, result. Okay, thank you.